In today's video, I'm doing a dip technique and I'm going to be adding some oil paint to my puddles that I'll be creating to see how that will react with the acrylic paints. So I have some white, orange, yellow, and pink mixed up with Floetrol and water, and the white will be my background color, and then the pink, orange, and yellow along with that gold are going to be the colors that I'm going to dip. I'm going to be just using my nitrile glove for the dip. I really like the pattern and the way that it looks when I use one of those. Once I have my white paint down, I'm just using a pipette to start my puddles, and I'm just adding the gold first so it will be in the middle of my pores. And then I'm just going to start adding a little bit of each other color around that gold. So I'd like for that gold to be in the middle of the dip and then just have the other colors blending into it for a flower looking design. Once I have my puddles down, I'm just blowing up my glove and just dipping them directly down into the color. I found that there's not enough paint left on the glove for a nice dip on another item, so I just wipe it off and reuse the glove for each dip. gold was really interesting. I didn't really get any cells or much blending of that, I think just because it is a completely different medium than the acrylic paint. So I just took my pipette and just gently moved around that gold paint to just add some more design in each of my flowers. The gold dried really well, and it's a really nice bright metallic compared to those other colors, and it was really fun to add this in. I could see using an oil paint like this and just adding it in as an embellishment when you're doing some different dips. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.